Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando. A few years back, Nitecore came out with the P30 hunting kit. Later after that, came out with the P30i hunting kit. Now a few years later, we have the new kit leader, the MH25 Pro kit. The MH25 Pro is a great light for its distance and high luminosity. It is the brother to the MH12 Pro and the successor to the MH25 version 2. The MH25 Pro comes with a lot of different items, 11 to be exact. Let's go over the different items really quick. You got your MH25 Pro flashlight, a holster, an NL21 53HP 5300 mAh battery, a USB-C charging cable, a clip, sparrow ring, and a lanyard, the RSW1 Pro pressure switch, the GMO2 mount, and two 40mm red and green silicone slip-on filters. And of course, your manual and warranty card. Here's a quick refresher of the MH25 Pro. But for a more in-depth overview, you can check out our dedicated video on this awesome light in the description below. Now, the MH25 Pro has an impressive 3300 lumens and a max throw of 771 yards. Its long throw is due to its candela intensity of 124,300. The MH25 Pro is equipped with the Night Lab UHI 40 LED and a cremulated bezel on top of that with a bell-shaped head that helps with heat dissipation. This UHI LED has a more prominent and round hot spot with a much more defined beam shape that lets you illuminate your target and be able to see it a lot clearer. And on the side, you have a brightness and battery level LED indicators. The MH25 Pro has daily and tactical mode. On daily mode, you have 5 brightness modes: ultra low, low, mid, high, and turbo, plus SOS, beacon, and strobe. Moving on with the GMO2 Pro Mount, and we're going to talk about how to install it. This offset rail mount is designed for Picatinny rails, but first of all, I suggest you install this GMO2 Pro Mount onto the light first before installing this onto the Picatinny. First, you want to unscrew the tail cap off the flashlight. Then with the key that is included in the kit, you're going to loosen these 2 bolts in the back right here, like so. Then you're going to insert it into the flashlight. Then you want to tighten those 2 bolts again, like so. Now you can install it into the rail slot by loosening the thumb screw right here to then be able to place it on the slot of your choice. And once you have it where you want it, then you go ahead and twist the thumb screw again to lock it into place. Just like that. Attached right here is the RSW1 Pro pressure switch. What I love about this pressure switch is this thing right here fits really perfectly on the rail. This rail mount right here flushes with the gaps of the Picatinny, in which houses the pad for the RS1 Pro pressure switch, which you can easily insert like that. And it's perfectly mounted. Now you can press it to be able to power it momentarily on and off, or you can press the tail cap button for a constant on. The MH25 Pro kit also comes with these 2 40mm silicone slip-on filters, a red one and a green one that can be used for different variations for hunting needs. Now the red, in my opinion, preserves night vision a little bit better, doesn't attract insects as much as the green filter, but the green is not easily seen by hawks. It's also less dim than the red, but don't take my word for it. As far as those filters goes, do your own research. And like I had mentioned in the beginning, the MH25 Pro comes with the NL21 53HP 5300 mAh battery. It is also USB-C rechargeable with this hidden boot port over here. And to find out about more interesting, awesome facts about this amazing MH25 Pro flashlight, you can go ahead and check out the in-depth video talking about the overview of this and also the beam shots as well. I'll link to that video down in the description below. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.